Right guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Polaris video. In this video we're gonna try to do the whole frame on this side by side and work on the plastics. And if we I gotta check the shop if we got all the parts. We are going to install everything and that thing would be done. And I am with the Paula today again for my own protection. He's with me to bodyguard. We have the winch over here, and this is where the impact was, and this corner over here. So we are trying to stick something inside over here and kind of hook it and pull it little by little. But now if we are gonna pull it, it's just gonna slide the whole thing, which means we gotta park another truck in the back and kind of secure it. So for now I'm thinking maybe we'll try this. This should be pretty strong. We are gonna hook from here and try to pull little by little and see how close that's gonna get us. And same thing, this, let me focus that. This crack over here, we're gonna have to get a little closer and weld it. Okay, we have our straps pretty nice and tight. Now we're gonna go ahead and hook that thing and pull it. Okay, so everything is ready. Now let's see what it does. So we do have a lot of pressure on it right now, and it doesn't want to do anything. What we're gonna try to do right now is use the hydraulic jack. So we found a pretty strong spot for us. There is the frame going this way, going down, going this way, and then this way. So that would be a strongest point for us from inside, which is it's over here, and I hope it's gonna reach all the way there, and that's gonna help pushing right there, which means this bar over here, it will push back, or at least it's gonna help the winch to pull it back. We don't need much. There is like probably like a quarter or something like that. We'll see how that's gonna work. So just block the wheels on the trucks, and we got this pretty tight. We're gonna try to pull it a little more. So using this jack, you actually have to like pump and pump and pump, but barely moves. But we do have the results a little bit now. Before, this was hitting like somewhere over there. As you see, like there's a little damage from hitting the door. Now it clears. I mean, we still have to adjust the latch a little bit, go a little higher, but at least it clears, and we're still not done. So we still have the pressure. Now this bar, it came back, it looks pretty straight, the gap it closed. We are gonna pull that a little later. Now what we want to do is weld that crack over there. Our center to center on the wheels are matching the other side. Alright, so the welding is done. Wasn't too comfortable, but turned out to look really good. Now I'm gonna clean that a little bit and spray some paint so it's not gonna rust on us, because this thing is gonna see a lot of water. Alright, looks good. So the door, it's almost there, but not quite yet. All you have to do is put a little pressure when the door kind of goes down on the front. And it seems like there is a bend over there, which this is gonna fix it. You're gonna jump on it?
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Actually, good.
Good?
Perfect, yeah.
Perfect. Where's that, like a BMW? Better. That's what I like to see. So on the headlight, all we had to do is put a longer screws and it's already there, nice and tight. Now we're working on warming this thing up, get it like super hot and push it back, and this grill or bumper, whatever you call it, it's good to go back. Right, so the bumper is good to go. This corner basically was pushed all the way in, now everything came back. And because of the corner was pushed, we couldn't install this couple screws over here because everything was pushed in and the grill was bent. Now everything is back together, nice and straight. So we're moving to the radiators. We got the used radiator, used fan, because they're like so much cheaper like that. And now we're gonna put them together and install on the side-by-side. So looks like we did adjust everything pretty nice because it sits nice and tight here and there, and the bolts are actually cleared. So now we're gonna probably connect the hoses and then put the bolts on top. Right, so we went a new bumper. I believe that's a bumper. It's all in, nice and tight. Now we're gonna try to use the heat gun to fix this plastic. So everything comes back little by little. We still have to do a little more work on this corner, but after we start installing everything back, it's gonna pull it where it's supposed to be. So I'm happy with this. Right, so we did put everything together. Everything fits perfect. In the next video, we're gonna try to get all the details done and fix the roof, kind of do a little cleanup, and I'll give you guys the price revealed I'll go through everything and explain you how much is everything. But yeah, there she is. That's a wrap for today's video, but thanks for watching our videos. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Find us on Instagram. It's a custom auto builds, and I'll catch you guys later.